Spearhead Service Web Portal is a centralised asset management and administration platform for all your equipment service and maintenance needs, providing instant online access with full equipment details, job history and proof of compliance. The web portal makes any task quick and effortless. Let's say you need to view the service history for an item of equipment, such as a hoist. Firstly, identify the equipment number from Spearhead's service label on the equipment. Then, log into the web portal and search the asset list for the equipment number. You can now view all records for that item of equipment, including job history, last service, job reports and equipment certification. The live asset list gives you real-time visibility of all equipment on site, including the make, the model, serial number and Spearhead equipment number. If there are multiple sites under one contract, you can view the asset list for each site. Importantly, the web portal provides proof of compliance, showing your active service contract for all sites and associated equipment, enabling immediate access to these in the event of an inspection. Equipment breakdowns can be reported through the web portal. Simply log in and create a new job, providing details of the breakdown and then adding the relevant items of equipment. This raises a job straight onto our internal operating system and alerts the Spearhead service team, who will schedule an engineer to attend as soon as possible. Finally, the web portal provides a transparent financial overview of your service contract, including all relevant invoices and credits. This powerful asset management tool removes the need for paperwork and streamlines your administration within one centralised online platform, making your job just that little bit easier.